Hello there. Well, it's that time of year again, and starting from Friday the 28th, which is of course Black Friday, Carveco has their annual sale on. I think it runs to the 8th. I'll just check in a moment. And it's the offering this year is something like this. This is the actual offering. It's probably better for me to bring it up like this. So because they've got the AI in Carveco now, that obviously has been put into the offering as well. So for Maker, let me see, includes 100 AI credits plus 300 bonus AI credits. Normal value is $180 for the software plus $27 of AI credits, which would be normally $207. Brings it down to $150 for the year. So that's a year's subscription of Maker plus 100 credits and 300 bonus credits. So for $150 they're getting a value pack that was $207. Then of course at the end of the year it will revert back to $180 with 100 credits. But of course by this time next year there'll be another Black Friday sale. So on top of that, if you use my affiliate code, which will be actually in the heading of this video and in the video description as well, if you use my affiliate code you'll get an additional 5% off that offering, which will bring it down to £142.50. I don't know why they're using pounds here and dollars here, but because I think they're pretty well on a par. But that's the offering for Maker, which is a pretty good bargain actually. Now then, Maker Plus, which is my personal favourite program. Annual plan, so includes 1,200 AI credits plus a bonus of 900 credits. Normal value $540 for the software for the year subscription, plus $76.50 for the AI credits, which brings it to $616.50 USD. So the Black Friday price will be $450. So that's a really good saving. Then reverts back to the normal price next year, but like I say, there will be another Black Friday sale this time next year, so be looking for that. And again, if you use my affiliate code, extra 5% off that price, so it'll bring it down to $427.50 US dollars. So I think someone's made a mistake there. That should probably be USD dollar sign on there as well. Yes, so that's what I think that would be. So there you are. There is the Black Friday sale offering for 2025, and you can see that it the promotion runs from the 28th of November till the 8th of December 2025. So there you are, bargain basement prices for the Black Friday sale. Where am I gone? There I am. Okay then, so I hope you know, you're having a lot of fun with Carveco. If you haven't got it, I'm sure you will have a lot of fun. And you know, I'll see you on some of my videos for the rest of this year and next year. So bye for now.